As an airplane prepares for takeoff, one of the most critical aspects to consider is its speed. This speed, known as V1, signifies the point where the pilot must decide whether to continue the takeoff or abort the process. During this moment, the atmosphere is charged with anticipation as the engines roar, propelling the aircraft forward while the world outside begins to blur. Before reaching V1, the aircraft experiences various phases of acceleration. The pilot skillfully navigates through these speeds while monitoring key instruments. The thrust generated by the engines pushes the plane against the runway, and the sensation of G-forces begins to envelop those aboard, making it an exhilarating experience. At this stage, the importance of aerodynamics cannot be overlooked. As speed increases, the wings begin to generate lift, a crucial force that allows the airplane to rise from the ground. Each component of the aircraft works seamlessly to create a flawless synergy, maintaining structural integrity while defying gravity. Once the airplane hits the critical speed, the pilot must make an instantaneous decision based on safety protocols and runway conditions. The moment calls for swift action, as every second counts in aviation. With the craft fully aligned and the passengers aware of the impending ascent, the atmosphere is a cocktail of excitement and nervousness. As V1 is reached, the airplane has gathered enough speed to take flight, and the pilot initiates the rotation. The nose tilts upward, and moments later, the wheels leave the ground, marking a significant milestone in the journey. This moment captures the essence of human ingenuity, a mechanical bird ascending into the open sky, a spectacle that is as magnificent as it is meticulously calculative. With the ground falling away beneath, the cabin becomes filled with a sense of liberation. The acceleration transforms into climb as the aircraft breaches the local airspace, and the elegance of flight prevails. Each takeoff is a harmonious blend of physics and skilled piloting, illustrating the true art of aviation. In conclusion, the speed of an airplane before takeoff is a complex interplay of engineering, meteorology, and human precision. It is an exhilarating moment, symbolizing the freedom and possibilities that flying brings as the aircraft evolves from a powerful ground force to a soaring entity navigating the skies. By respecting the mechanics behind this intricate process, both pilots and passengers alike can appreciate the beauty of flight.